Nabi Qasmi, Advisor Unani, Ministry of Ayush, Government.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
All, thank you. Now I will request ma'am again to do the honors. Please present bouquet and memento as a token of love on February 11th, which is the birthday of renowned Indian Unani physician Hakim Ajmal Khan, a versatile
Shri Sarbananda Sonowal Sahib, the Honorable Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ministry of Ayush.
आयुष श्री सर्वनाथ सोनवाल के कर कमलों से मंत्री जी का जो स्नेह और प्यार जम्मू कश्मीर
साहब, प्रोफेसर आसिम अली खान साहब, श्री मोहन सिंह जी, dignitaries,
participants here, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. जैसा कि अभी अकबर मसूद साहब ने बताया कि यहाँ की जो रीजनल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट
त्रिगुणा जी, डॉक्टर मनोज नेसरी जी, प्रोफेसर आसिम अली खान जी, डॉक्टर बसवा रेड्डी जी,
enthusiasm and guidance to Ministry of Ayush since he took over. Dr. Munjapara Mahendra Bhai Kalu Bhai,
Baba Gulam Shah, Badshah University, Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir. Sri Vivek Bharadwaj, Additional Chief Secretary, Health and Medical Education Department, Government of J&K, New Delhi. Dr. M.A. Kasmi, from media. Ladies and gentlemen, सबसे पहले तो
International Conference on Diet and Nutrition in Unani Medicine for Good Health and Well-being.
Now I would like to call Mazia Farooq from District Pulwama. Receive the certificate. Big round of applause. Another instructor to receive certificate is Muzammil Shahan from District Pulwama. One more instructor is District Baramulla. Shabir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Prevention and control of diseases through Unani measures and intervention. Big round of applause. The first book to be released in orientation guidance for community health officers. It's the revised second edition of National Formulary of Unani Medicine for Part 4, first published in 2006. Official documents for Unani formulations. The present part covers description of 166 Unani formulations in 7 different dosage forms. Passes detailed quality control studies of Arachiyat mentioned in Unani Pharmacopoeia of India. Arachiyat are the aqueous. The book comprises of time-tested Unani prescriptions for diseases of liver, useful Unani single drugs for liver and its disease, and useful classical formulation for liver antigens. Role of CCRUM during the times of COVID-19 pandemic. So big round of applause for this release as well. Now one more release formulation and other relevant information. So big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time for launch of Unani e on single drugs. Their temperament users temperament for launched by CCRUM provides a Unani physician. Know your temperament. So every individual has a unique temperament. Identification of temperament of an individual is
for Ayush and also Minister for respected Special Secretary to the Ministry of Ayush, Pramod Kumar Pathak ji, respected CCRUM Padma Bhushan Devendra Trigunaji, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Because of his untiring, devoted and committed effort, the Ministry of Ayush has been successful in extending its service to the people of the country and also people of the globe. So I believe this is a golden opportunity for all the practitioners, healers in this traditional system